People, today may just be another Tuesday, but to those who live with diabetes, today is a day of awareness and education. 23 ABC's Tiffany Martin, she joins us live in our newsroom to tell us why Diabetes Alert Day is so important. Tiffany.
Troy, the fourth Tuesday of March has been declared as American Diabetes Association Alert Day to alert yourself and others of the risks and signs of the growing epidemic that many people may not know they have. American Diabetes Association Alert Day is considered a one-day wake-up call asking the public to take the diabetes risk test to find out if they're at risk for developing type 2 diabetes.
The goal is awareness about type 2 diabetes because it's becoming such a major epidemic in our society. And the real problem is that there are so many people that are living with diabetes that don't even know they have it.
The test asks users to answer simple questions about weight, age, family history, and other potential risk factors. There are many symptoms that come with the beginning stages of type 2 diabetes that are similar to the common cold or flu.
Oftentimes people don't even have any signs or symptoms, but if they did, some of them might be fatigue, blurry vision, wounds that don't heal very quickly. We might see extra thirst or urination.
For children who are diagnosed, it is critical to look for the signs and catch it early to avoid life-threatening complications.
So we were actually lucky because she didn't go into DKA, which is when all your organs start shutting down. A lot of children do that and they have to get flown to Madera or down south to the Children's Hospital, but we were able to stay here in Bakersfield.
As a mother, Brooke says her greatest advice is to become aware of the signs, and after being diagnosed, it is important to educate yourself and your family to check your blood sugar as often as needed.
No, we try to tell our story as much as we can, just hoping that when somebody has a kid that just isn't acting like themselves and you think it's the flu or something's not right, that it's in the back of their mind. Maybe I should ask the pediatrician to check their blood sugar. Maybe.
Although Alert Day is only one day, the risk test is available all year. But starting today and ending April 9th, Boar's Head will donate $5 to the American Diabetes Association for every test taken up to $50,000. And if you want to take the test to find out if you or someone you know are at risk for diabetes, visit our website at Turner23.com and the information will be available on our homepage.